What are you doing with all your downtime during the quarantine? Besides homeschooling and cooking and cleaning and keeping up with all things at home, how many of you have a list of things you'd like to get done but are having trouble finding the motivation to do? Today's video is to help you do just that. Get motivated to clean something out, whether it's a closet, a pantry, a cabinet, anything. There is strategy behind cleaning out, and so that's what we're going to do today. If you enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe to Emily's Closet Therapy and find me on Instagram. Let's get started. Okay, a little secret that I use when I'm cleaning out. This is important, so listen closely. Before I even get started, the first thing I do is I get up, brush my teeth, put in my contacts, wash my face, put on a little makeup, get dressed, and eat breakfast. Once I've done that, I feel like I'm ready to tackle my day. Oh, wait, the other thing, I make my bed. Okay, once those things are out of the way, I have no excuse and I'm ready to get started. Here are some of the best tools of the trade when cleaning out. I've got my big drink, I've got my trash bags, Sharpie, and of course my remotes because I gotta watch something on TV while I'm cleaning out. Here we have a closet that's ready to be attacked. We've got clothes on the floor, shoes, clothes that need to be sorted, separated, organized. Of course, we've got stuff just thrown at the top, medicines and all of that. So we are ready to attack. So when I'm starting, the first thing I do is I attack one thing, which would either be all the shoes or all the clothes. And I'm going to start with clothes this time, and I'm just going to go through one piece at a time and decide whether I'm going to keep it, donate it, or sell it, because I sell a lot of clothes online. So another trick that I've seen a girl tell me is that if you will turn your hangers around like this when you keep something, if you turn your hanger, and if you're going to keep it and you hang it that way, once you've worn it, then you take it and you hang it back this way, and at the end of the year, all of your hangers that are facing the wrong way are what you would get rid of at the end of the year. So that's something you might try. Okay, just a little checkup. So far I've pulled out tons of clothes and I've started sorting. So I'm putting summer over here and winter over here. I haven't touched the bottom yet or any of the shoes. I find it best if I stick with one thing first. So this is where I'm putting things that I'm not sure about. These are the hangers I want to get rid of, because while I'm doing this, I like to switch over to good hangers. So the other thing is, here's my trash pile. Here's my pile of stuff that's going to be sold. There's a few donate things over there, a couple of things over there that I'm not sure about. And then of course over here we have a pile to give to a neighbor and a pile to give to another person. So I just start sorting in different piles, and this is about not quite a midway check yet. I'll check back in. Okay, so now I have finished at least pulling out the clothes that we're not going to use and wear. So now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to clean and organize the top. Okay, the next thing I'm doing is I've got the spring and summer clothes over here, and I have the fall and winter clothes over here. So I'm going to take off all of the hangers that are like the wire or the ones from the laundromat, and I'm going to switch them all out with hangers that are the fabric. So I always buy a couple of the big boxes of these whenever I do a closet, and I switch everything out to the good hangers. So that's what I'm doing first, is I'm going to put them all on the good hangers, and then I'm going to sort them by color. So season, and then by color and on the good hangers. Okay, so now all the clothes have been sorted and I'm working on organizing up in the top. I'm putting all pillows and bedding in one area. Then I'm organizing all purses and bags that we want to keep. And I'm working now on getting the floor cleared so I can vacuum and dust. And then we'll see what's next. Okay, so here it is. It's all done. If you follow me in here, I'll show you. The shelves are all organized. Everything's put where it needs to be. Everything's been wiped down and dusted. Over here, the spare sheets are all in one place. These are the fall and winter clothes put in order of color. I always do Roy G. Biv. All of the bags and things are up here. Extra pillows and things up here. Keepsakes. And then here are the spring, summer clothes and pants. It doesn't look like there's a ton of clothes, but everything is visible. You can see it, you can get to it easily. And then of course, there's all the shoes that have been cleaned out and organized. Robes hanging on the back. Dry cleaning bag here, ready to go. So it's a fresh new closet, all ready to go. Now I'm gonna show you where everything that came out of the closet, how it's nice and organized and ready to go where it's going. So if you look right here, this is all the clothing that's been pulled out of the closet that is not going straight to donate, but instead is going to be sold on Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark or on any of the selling platforms that I use. So this is a huge money-making opportunity. So when you clean out, remember that you can sell what you can, and then it can go into bags for donating. So everybody benefits from that. Okay, so you can see here it is nighttime. It's dark. We've worked all day. We've cleaned out the master closet. We have actually then gone upstairs and cleaned out some kids' closets. It's been a big full day of cleaning out. We've got probably 25 bags of stuff to sell and probably as many bags or more of stuff to donate, and then of course trash bags too. It's been a full day. We're tired, but we've gotten a lot done, and just feels really good to have a nice clean slate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. I appreciate you following me, and happy organizing. Bye-bye.